Hi, class. In this week's assignment, you're going to be continuing your science unit plan for differentiation and accommodation. Now, in this week, you're going to start thinking through your diverse learners and how you can support them. You want to make sure that you look at the class profile provided this week here, and you'll be able to see what types of students you have in your class: ELL, special education, students above grade level, and gifted. And you're going to use that to design what differentiation strategies you want to include on your unit plan. Now, one thing you're going to need to do is both think through strategies and learning opportunities, as well as resources or instructional adaptations. And you might ask yourself, what is the difference between differentiation strategies and learning opportunities and resources or instructional adaptations? Now, when you look at the unit plan, it gives you both differentiation and accommodations, and then materials and resources and technology. Well, this week, you're focusing just on the differentiation. The materials section will be next week. So, what do they mean by materials or differentiation? When I think about differentiation strategies, it would be a strategy I employ to support all learners. For example, I might give, students a small group lesson, or I might do something such as use visuals. Okay. The resources or instructional adaptations are going to be things like things that you give students to support the differentiation that you might not um, need to be facilitating it. In other words, it's not so much a teacher action, but a tool students can use. So my ELL students, I might put a word bank up or give them a picture word bank. Now that's a resource or an instructional adaptation. I might give them a text that has a easier reading level, or for my gifted students, I might give them something such as, instead of just having a discussion, maybe they need to write and explain things. So think about the things that the teacher is doing for your differentiation strategies, and then also about things that you can modify. Or, you might give students a sentence frame for writing for your ELLs or your special education students, but the rest of the class doesn't get sentence frames when they're writing. You might give them a graphic organizer to organize the information easier. So be thinking about the students on the class profile and the needs that they have, and include both strategies as well as resources to support those needs. Because as a teacher, it's hard to do everything yourself. So you want to have some resources involved there that would support you. Again, your reflection is going to need to be 250 to 500 words and supported with scholarly resources. Make sure that you watch in the forum. I do post a lot of good resources that you can use that will help with your learning for that week. If you have any questions about your unit plan this week, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week.